You know, some things you can just like
That hikey looks like the kidney stone I passed last. Get up. What? Thumb shot. Nah, that was me cracking my back. So perfect and beautiful. Yeah. Who just beeped at me? Oh, it was me. See you later.
we need to bring.
Hi. You're so cool. Your eyes are so pretty.
Sometimes we don't get what we want.
Your eyes are so pretty.
Yours are too.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
What'd you say?
Okay, guys, you're gay.
I'm not gay, I just like men. Are you
John, step up your game, bro.
What? Whoa.
Hand me the other one. Hand me the one next to
And it's got depth to it.
Whoa. It's got depth.
Whoa.
I think we have to go.
Wait, I want to get on the spinning thing first.
Do we really have to?
Get on! Get on! Get on!
5 guys, not 6.
Okay. Yeah, that's 6 guys. 6,
Oh, you want to know what?
What do you think about the field trip?
It's got an S.
It was at.
Hello.
Talking, bucko.
Hello.
Keep
Hello.
talking.
I found out I never once used the camcorder I brought. It should stick to you.
Can you spare some change for the poor?
Someone's coming to take you. Someone's coming to break you up. And they're going to fix you. And they'll call it love. Someone's staring at you someplace. So you start staring back.
Second interview. What do you think this is?
Projector.
Like from Stranger Things.
Stranger Things. It's probably like the diagram to the wormhole in this right now.
It probably does.
But it's broke.
And you think that a new face can't treat you like that. Maybe you're old now. You're starting to tear. Maybe the truth is out, but the news in the air. Maybe you've known it. It just isn't fair. The world is too small for true love to be there.
Can't you believe this was me back?
Red touch me inappropriately. First off, it's the cameraman.
Are you reflecting on the fact that I could have been playing Roblox right now, but instead with y'all?
This goes somewhere.
And then Josiah. Look at Josiah. He doesn't look like that.
It's not Josiah.
Because you know what?
He's trying to show off that jawline. He doesn't have one.
Oh, yo.
What?
He's gonna see this in the future. He's gonna murder you.
We've made like one step of process.
I found a gun.
It's our turn. Oh my god. Don't video record it.
I wasn't video. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do
It's
that.
our game. Yes, we should can you just play for me? No, we can't. We need to. It's too cool. I mean, when you go out. Oh, he's recording. Why? How do you feel about that?
Boo!
Wanna run away, and then we run away. Wow.
No. What the fuck do we look like?
Oh my god.
Bitch. The fuck?
It's a new phase I'm trying.
Oh wow, you're not showing up at all. Oh wow, you did now. Are you comfortable, Asia?
No.
Harry, is it recording?
It is.
Where's B-Sub?
Literally, Mr. Star Wars, and then by the time
There he is.
I've already done it.
So hot.
Oh. Were you just filming or something?
Yeah, it was just like it was like a specific thing we learned.
Oh shit.
Zoom out and you can see that.
Oh, bullets. He saw us.
You saw us, finally.
There's nothing to do. Now you're checking your watch.
Why is your shirt?
All alone in your room.
Oh, I didn't even notice it.
Nothing's worse than of seeing it go on without you all now. You're starting to tear. Maybe the truth is out, but the news didn't air. Maybe you've known it. It just isn't fair. The world is too small for true love to be there. The world is too small for true love to be there. The world is too small for true love to be there.
It's Cedar Point tomorrow.
Goodbye, vlog.
Wow.